This is a new 2014 Ford Flex, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, digital audio input and auxiliary input, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, side airbags, second and third row airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Troy Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3230 South County Road 25A, Troy, Ohio 45373.